If Chrome feels like it is using way too much internet data, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome use less internet in just a few simple steps. We'll go through the settings that reduce background activity, stop Chrome from using data when you are not actively browsing, and cut down on unnecessary usage from tabs, videos, and extensions. This is a great fix if your internet is slow, your data plan is limited, or you just want Chrome to run more efficiently. And before we get into it, if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome can use a surprising amount of internet data in the background, especially if you have lots of tabs open, video sites running, extensions installed, automatic syncing turned on, or apps still running after you close the browser. So the goal here is to reduce all of that unnecessary usage without breaking the browser. The first thing we want to do is turn on Chrome's built-in efficiency features. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go down to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Performance. If you do not see it right away, you may need to scroll a little. Once you are in the Performance section, turn on Memory Saver and Energy Saver. Memory Saver helps Chrome use less system memory by putting inactive tabs to sleep, and that also helps reduce background activity. Energy Saver helps limit unnecessary activity when your battery is low or when Chrome is trying to run more efficiently overall. These options are useful because they can reduce how often Chrome is refreshing background content, which can also help lower internet usage. Next, let's stop Chrome from using data when it is closed. Go back into Settings, then find the System section. In System, turn off the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This is an important one. When this setting is on, Chrome can still keep certain processes running even after you close the browser, and that means it may still be using internet in the background. Turning it off helps make sure Chrome actually stops when you close it. Now let's talk about tabs. One of the easiest ways Chrome uses extra internet is through too many open tabs. Some websites refresh automatically, some play media in the background, and some load ads or live content that keeps pulling data. If you have tabs open that you are not actively using, close them. Try to keep only the tabs you really need. If there is a site you want to save for later, bookmark it instead of leaving it open all day. This simple habit can make a big difference in how much data Chrome uses. Another major source of internet usage is video quality. If you are watching videos on YouTube or using streaming sites in Chrome, higher resolutions like 1080p or 4K will use a lot more data than lower resolutions. If you want Chrome to use less internet, reduce the video quality to 480p or 720p whenever possible. On most sites, you can click the settings gear on the video player and choose a lower quality option. Lower quality uses less bandwidth, loads faster on slow connections, and can help stretch limited data much further. Now, let's handle extensions, because some extensions quietly use internet all the time. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Review the list carefully. Disable any extensions you do not actually need, especially VPN extensions, add heavy extensions, shopping tools, coupon tools, or background utilities that constantly sync data. Some extensions are useful, but others can keep checking websites, loading scripts, or sending data in the background. The fewer unnecessary extensions you have running, the less data Chrome may use. If you want to go even further, it also helps to check whether Chrome is syncing too much. If you are signed into Chrome with sync turned on, it can keep updating bookmarks, passwords, history, and other data across devices. That is not always a bad thing, but if your goal is to use less internet, it is worth reviewing what gets synced. You can do that in your Google account settings and limit sync to only what you really need. Also, try to avoid leaving video-heavy websites open in the background. Sites with live feeds, auto-playing videos, or frequent refreshes can quietly eat through your data without you noticing. If you are done using a site, close it completely instead of just switching to another tab. And if Chrome still feels heavy on your connection, consider restarting the browser after making these changes. That can help the new settings take effect properly and clear out any tabs or processes that were already using resources. So to quickly recap, the best ways to make Chrome use less internet are turning on Memory Saver and Energy Saver, disabling background apps, closing unused tabs, lowering video quality, and removing unnecessary extensions. These small changes can add up fast, especially if you use Chrome every day. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe because I post simple tech tips and troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.